Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join Jandel server on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to join the Jandel server, you can try to use this Chrome extension. You can search for Blocks Finder, join anyone on Roblox, and you can add this extension to your Google Chrome. And after that, you're going to open up your Roblox. Okay, you can open up the Roblox on your website, and then you're going to open the Grow a Garden game. Okay, like this. And then you're going to search Jandel. Okay, you can go to the server here. And then you can search Jandel using this Blocks Finder. You can click on this icon, and then you're going to enter the Jandel's name. And then I'm going to check this option, repeat search until found. Okay, this is the Jandel account, and then I'm going to click on find. And you just need to wait guys, and maybe you will have a lot of attempts. Okay, you just need to wait until the Jandel server can be found by this Blocks Finder. Okay guys, and that's all the way to join the Jandel server on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!